There's one skip. Here's the second skip. Third skip. That's 3 skips in the first 30 seconds of this track. Side 2, track 1. This is inconsistent with an excellent record. I hope this suffices.